For most of the work you do, place the top of the mold board about 2 inches ahead of the cutting edge. Depending on the material, you may have to make slight adjustments to this position. For finishing work, bank sloping, and snow plowing, the blade is normally tipped forward until the cutting edge is at about a 90-degree angle to the surface being graded. Use the blade tip control to change cutting depth evenly across the blade when you do finish grading, bank sloping, or when feathering material at the end of a pass. For finish work, tipping the blade about 3 inches forward will allow circle rotation with little or no effect on the slope you're cutting. We're now going to move the center shift cylinder. Ground the blade in the dirt before moving the pin out of a hole. Using the circle center shift to change the position of the mold board in relation to the frame will give you maximum reach. If your machine is equipped with snow attachments, verify the optional implement control locations on your machine. If your machine has a snow wing, you have levers that control its movements. The tilt lever moves the heel or trailing end of the snow wing. The lift lever moves the mast of the snow wing. If your grader has a plow or plow dozer, a lever raises and lowers it. It also has a float and a hold position. Other optional controls are available. Wheel lean counteracts side draft caused by blade load. Push the lever forward for left wheel lean. Pull it back for right wheel lean. As the front end of the motor grader moves off the desired line of travel, lean the top of the tires toward the heel of the blade, toward the direction of the material movement. Wheel lean is also helpful when you need to keep the wheels vertical for ditching and for slope work. Wheel lean can also increase reach, and it can vary the depth of cut on bank or back slopes. Use it to make slight steering corrections when you're finished grading, so your hands stay on the blade lift levers. Wheel lean used with articulation makes tighter, faster machine turnarounds. Push both controls forward for a left turn. Pull them back for a right turn. Articulation helps you do a variety of tasks. Counteract side draft caused by big blade loads. Keep the rear of the machine away from banks or shoulders, and in firm underfoot to prevent rutting. Keep the drive wheels out of soft areas and wet ditches. Keep material flowing along the mold board. Get greater stability when working on slopes. And whenever you articulate your machine, watch closely to make sure you keep the mold board out of the tires. Whether you are an experienced operator or just getting started, Caterpillar H-Series motor graders are easy to operate and easy to maintain. Get to know the machine and make it work for you.